So hello everyone, and this video is just an experiment, and in this video I am going to teach my novice friend how to exercise. This friend of mine, he has never gone to gym, he has never taken part in exercise and least in any kind of sports activities, and let's see what he does the first time. I hope he does some funny things so as to entertain you, and it is just an experiment. I don't even think that this video is suitable for my channel, but still I would add for all of your entertainment. And I hope this mic looks good. So come, Siddharth.
Okay. Oh my god, first time in your channel with as a learner, as a student. Okay, I was so happy and excited to do with my best friend, exercise with my best friend. So let's learn how we are learning, what we are doing. I am so exercised, as you see with my experience. Expressions. Okay.
So the first thing that is mandatory
Okay.
is warming up. What warming up does is it tones your muscles, it heats up your ligaments, tendons. Otherwise, if they aren't heated up, you could get injuries and even cramps, and that could discourage you from further doing exercises.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So let's begin with some gentle warm-ups. So first thing I want you to do is to do at least 6 push-ups. Get down and do 6 push-ups.
Okay. Yeah.
Tighten your abs, tighten your abs, tighten your thighs, tighten your glutes, and get down. Slowly.
Slowly.
Yes, slowly.
Okay.
So next time, now we are going to do push-ups. It is a very common exercise, anyone can do anywhere. So let's get down. So do as many as you can. Along with me. Wait, let me join. 3, 2, 1, begin. How was
This
the
is-
experiment?
This is so great. I feel like it is stretching out. This is pulling out from the bone, but it's okay. I am so happy what I am doing. Oh my god! I think my my muscles are looking out.
Yeah,
Oh, so just
you're
joking.
gaining muscles. That's good.
Thank you so much. Just for you.
So, I did push-ups in the worst form as possible. Now let's get down to the lower body exercises. This is a beginner's one. Though you're doing the very simplest kind of exercises. So what you do is, this time you have to bend a leg forward.
Like this.
Copy me. Copy how I'm doing.
Okay. Like this.
And, yes, like this. And descend downwards. See, this should be straight and this should be at 45 degrees. Now get up. Do as many times as you can. So 3, 2, 1, and this begins.
Okay.
Join your hands. Get up.
Yeah.
So, in our para commander training of India, it is said there that if your mind decides to quit, it means you can still go 7 times more, because our mind quits thousands of times before our body finally gives up. Our mind is a quitter, but we shouldn't be. We should be able to resist that power of mind that wants us to quit. So Siddharth, we will go for 30 squat jumps plus push-ups. It is a great cardio exercise. It is a great overall body exercise. And 30 is our target. 3, 2, 1 and we begin. I want to say that I would have quit. I would have quitted had he not been there. Had he not been there to encourage me. So because of friends like him who encourage you, who push you to give your best, to push harder, we are able to succeed.
Yeah.
And this is just a small example. And even in later stages of life, if we have a friend like him, it will help us to succeed.
You are
It will-
hard worker, dost. You are really hard worker, because I quit in just 10 doing. He is making it 30. मतलब ये 30 में कंप्लीट कर लिया, 30 कंप्लीट कर लिया दोस्त ने, मैंने 10 पे क्विट कर लिया, बिकॉज मैं आई एम ए बिगिनर. बट नो इशू, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई डू इट लाइक दिस.
I have my confidence upon you. You will be definitely able to do that.
Thank you.
I have my full confidence upon you.
And I have the confidence you learn and make me a handsome guy like you.
Handsome.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
And
Do subscribe my buddy's channel, The Night Storyteller, and I am really great. So I feel really great to come on your videos. This is really pleasure for me कि मतलब
it is really a pleasure for me to include Siddharth Patel vlogs in my channel. In the description you will find the link to his video, the Siddharth Patel vlogs, one of the most interesting vlog channels. Though it is just a beginner, I am sure it will grow. It will grow a lot.
we grown both those grown with together. Grown we are together.
Thank you so much, Siddharth.
Yes, boss.
Thank you all of you for watching till the end. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video.